they have their horns. And why are they here? They are here because they had been denied the right to stay with the female by a particular dominant male. You know, with the impala, there's one dictatorship and refuse other younger male growing in the family to interact with the female. Those young males say, okay, it's fine. Let us look for our ways out. Whole country. There are nowhere else in Uganda. Then, two, this antelope has been recognized so much by this country because where the capital city is, it is where they originated from. This antelope was belonging, its origin was to interact with those females until their times come. And this type of water bucks, as you know, in Africa we have different types, about 2 I think. This one are called the fasa. Of these water bucks also can go, in wilderness can go up to 18 years, but in captivity, if well treated, may go up to 20 years. And we are seeing zebras there. You can see how the animals tend to be now friendly to humans. Those are the bachels. The zebras we are seeing, they are called bachels. Christmas tree. This is a kind of asparagus. It's called Asparagus africana. Asparagus africana. This Asparagus africana is not like the one in Europe where humans normally eat them. This one bears fruits and it is pecked by somebody like maybe Kidepo. Hatubis, the topi belongs in their family.
On est à Lake Mburo, parc national de Lake Mburo.